Proudly brought to you by Fresh Pilchards.
Fish on! Good morning, guys. 4 a.m. 14th of December. We are back at Umdloti Beach. Let's see what we get. I see Dad's already got his bait in before me. There's no drift here, confirmed by my dad. I've got my sardine belly down, steel wire trace. I think I'm just gonna go to the left hand side a bit, get the bait in. Let's see if we get any bites this morning. The water's mixing at the front here, but it doesn't look too bad inside. Let's see how this morning pans out as the light comes through. Very misty here today. We're starting to get that beautiful light coming through. Seems that it's possibly could be a very hot day today with the mist here. "4:30 a.m. Nice to get some clear skies. Absolutely beautiful. Nice to get a strong bite here. There we go. Looks like that's going to be our first catch for today. Uncle Iqbal. Let's bait up. Good to get some bites here. It's actually turning out to be a lovely morning here. Ocean's settling down quite nicely. Get the bait into the water. Here we go, guys. Fish on. Here we go. That's a Shad. Absolutely beautiful to get a bite this morning on 14th of December. And here we go, guys. First catch for the morning. Umdloti Beach. Third bait for this morning. Here's that beautiful sunrise. While I was baiting up, Dad had a bite hit, wasn't there. I see Uncle Freddy's on the beach now. He's got his bait in the water. Let's go! It's 5 a.m. The ocean turned out quite nice this morning. The conditions just changed. See more anglers on the left hand side. Let's see if anybody gets anything else. small guys are cleaning me out here. Let's bait up. It's 5:15 a.m. My fish has gone off the bite. Got an hour left here. Let's see how this morning goes. No bites on the left hand side. Just moving to the right hand side. Let's see if we get any bites on this side. Water seems to be a bit more flatter on this side. It's getting a bit choppy on the left hand side. Let's see. This is a spot. Small guys are just rattling here on the right hand side. Let's bait up and move more to the left. Looks like it's settled down on that side. I see Dad's gone to the far left. Beautiful morning on the beach. Let's see if we get any takers here closer to the rocks. "5:30 a.m. Lots of small fish here by the rock. They clean me out nicely. Had some nice bites. Let's bait up and try again. What a beautiful blue sky. After so many days of rain, floods, managed to get some blue skies. "5:50 a.m. Very misty morning. Water settled quite nicely. It's been up and down, but considering what it was like yesterday, it's way better. Small fish are biting here. I'm gonna take this bait out and have my last throw. Let's see if there's any other takers. They are just cleaning us out here. Dad's got his last bait. Hey guys, lovely morning on the beach. Really nice to get some bites. Small bites, big bites. Lucky enough to get one fish. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Tight lines.